Have you ever wondered why the sun has been burning for 4.6 billion years and still hasn't gone out? In today's video, let's explore why the sun has been shining non-stop for 4.6 billion years without ever turning off. If you find this video interesting and engaging, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to discover our upcoming content. First, let's correct a common misconception. The sun is not a giant ball of fire blazing away. It's not burning wood, plugged into electricity, or powered by batteries. Yet, every day, it still shines brilliantly, as if it were its first time. So how exactly does it burn so persistently? You've probably heard that the sun is a ball of fire, right? But in reality, it's not burning in the way we think. Like wood or gas, it's undergoing a process called nuclear fusion. Sounds like nuclear physics? Don't worry, I'll explain it in the simplest way possible. The sun is a massive sphere of gas, made mostly of hydrogen and helium. Deep in its core, temperatures reach about 15 million degrees Celsius. Yes, 15 million degrees Cs, hot enough to force hydrogen atoms to smash together and fuse into helium. And every time that happens, a tiny bit of mass is converted into energy. That's the light and heat the Earth receives every day. That's nuclear fusion, a natural power generator that doesn't need switches, batteries, or refueling, and it runs continuously for billions of years. Now you may think, after burning for billions of years, isn't it running out of fuel? Actually, no. Every second, the sun burns about 600 million tons of hydrogen to produce energy. That sounds like a lot, but scientists have calculated that the sun has only used half of the hydrogen in its core so far. So if we imagine the sun as a massive gas tank, it still has enough left to cook, light, and warm us for about another 5 billion years. So rest assured, you don't need to worry about running out of sunlight just yet. Go on with your usual routines of gardening, sunbathing, and drying clothes. The sun is still working very hard. So when will it go out? The short answer is, not today, and definitely not in the next few million years. But if you have the patience to wait another 5 billion years, then yes, it's coming. When the hydrogen in the core runs low, the sun will enter old age. It will no longer produce stable energy, and at that point, the core will shrink while the outer layers expand. As a result, the sun becomes a red giant, so huge it could engulf Mercury, Venus, and possibly Earth. Then comes its dramatic finale. The outer gas layers are blown into space, leaving behind a condensed core called a white dwarf. With no more energy production, the white dwarf will slowly cool, fade, and eventually disappear, like a candle that's burned out. But to completely cool and vanish might take tens of billions of years, kind of like a fire that still glows.
Sounds sad, but this is the natural life cycle of a star like our sun. And the important thing is, the sun is still in its prime, its most vigorous stage. As for us, we're probably still arguing whether dipping bread in condensed milk is right or wrong. So don't worry. If doomsday ever comes from the sun going out, it's still billions of years away. Right now, you've got more urgent things to worry about. Your electric bills, your reports, and what's for dinner? Instant noodles with beef or water spinach? But wait, why doesn't the sun just explode? Nuclear fusion is that powerful, right? The answer might sound simple, but it's incredibly intricate. It's all about a super tight balance between two forces constantly wrestling inside the sun. And this match has been going on for 4.6 billion years without a clue.
The sun isn't just a bright dot in the sky. It's the backbone of life. And you're literally revolving around it. Not metaphorically, literally. The sun is the ultimate power generator of Earth's ecosystem. Without it, Earth wouldn't be the blue planet. It would be a cold, lifeless stone adrift in the cosmos, grim and soulless. And the most mind-blowing part is, all that energy comes from simply squeezing hydrogen atoms together. No wood, no gas, no fuel, just physics, extreme heat, and time. The sun is proof that nature can build greater machines than anything humans have ever invented. To sum it up, the sun doesn't burn, it fuses. It's a massive natural nuclear reactor, sustained by the balance between outward fusion pressure and inward gravitational force from its huge mass. Thanks to that delicate balance, the sun has lasted this long, providing light, warmth, and nurturing life on our planet. You probably used to think the sun was just a flying fireball, right? Don't worry, we all did. Now you know, it's not burning. It's nuclear fusion at its finest, going strong for 4.6 billion years and showing no signs of quitting. Did you enjoy today's video? If so, like the video and subscribe to the channel to expand your mind a little each day, and turn on the notification bell, because there are shining truths you won't want to miss. And if you have any mysteries you want us to uncover next, drop a comment below. Who knows? Your question might just become our next video.